Let's start with the Karen Reed trial at 5:30. The debate over free speech has been a major theme throughout the case. That includes the rights of her supporters to protest outside the Denham courthouse, as well as the rights of her attorneys to speak on the front steps. NBC 10's John Maroney joins us live from Denham tonight with a look at how the First Amendment is impacting the second trial. John.
Glenn, it's certainly not the most important issue, but free speech has been at the center of some recent headlines, including a call for a gag order.
No comment.
Mr. Jackson, let me ask you after the attack.
Keep it moving. Let's go. Keep it moving, boys.
Karen Reed and her entourage leaving court without a peep.
No comment.
It's unusual, but could become the norm if her attorneys are slapped with a gag order.
There are ethical prohibitions on lawyers, in essence, trying their cases in the press as a means of trying to influence or prejudice the jury pool.
Judge Beverly Cannoni is now considering a request from prosecutors to stop the defense from talking about the case outside the courtroom. The order wouldn't apply to the defendant.
The ongoing, deliberate, purposeful poisoning of the potential jury pool is not only wrong and unfair.
Given the state's legal tradition regarding free speech and televised court proceedings, gag orders are rarely used. But NBC 10 legal analyst Michael Coyne says it's not out of the question in this case.
I could see some form of limited gag order coupled with some minor sanctions.
Another win for the First Amendment? I mean, yeah, sure. I mean, we're going to beat this one way or another.
Aidan Carney, a.k.a. Turtle Boy, was in court Thursday, accused of intimidating witnesses in the Karen Reed case. The blogger was ordered to stay 100 yards away from them and a pizza shop owned by one of the witnesses. He was released on personal recognizance.
You mentioned the First Amendment. Once again, the Commonwealth, has nothing but scorn for the First Amendment in this county. I don't know what it is. I think they need a seminar.
Now, in other developments, we learned the prosecution will be able to call a dog bite expert. It's someone that the defense had been trying to keep off the stand. Well, live in Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.
College students will be studying this case for years, I imagine. Reed's retrial will begin April 1st. We'll have live coverage here on NBC 10 Boston, as well as on our sister station, NECN.